If you're seeing a grayed out box next to the companies listed in your experience section, it's likely because you have not fully connected your experience to your employer's company page. So, connecting your company page exposes you and your company to millions of connections, which you can utilize to create relationships with people and other businesses in order to strengthen your brand recognition. Hi, I'm Deborah Ashley, the LinkedIn Black Belt, and in today's video walkthrough, you'll learn how to connect your experience to your employer's company page on LinkedIn. So the first thing that we want to do is always we want to go directly to our profile. We're going to scroll down until we get to the experience area. So your experience area, typically if you don't have creator mode on, it should be right below the featured area, which is right below the about section. That's if you have it off, right? If you have it on, you'll see it the way I set it up. So what you want to do, you want to use the pencil. The pencil is always a great area to edit. What you'll do from there is now you're going to go into the pencil here, and you do have to select the actual company name. So if you have it grayed out right now, you don't have a company name next to it. So as an example, if you work for Bank of America, you would just select the Bank of America drop down. Most companies are registered. If they didn't register their own company page, LinkedIn will already have done it. Unless you're a very smaller company, you have to do your own for sure. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll put mine back. But this is the best way for you to start making more connections to build brand awareness, to increase your visibility. You're just going to hit save. So if you have any questions whatsoever, comment below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway is. Go ahead and take a look and see if your box area is grayed out. Let me know if it was already grayed out. And don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend, tag a friend. Someone else needs to see this. I'll chat with you soon.